Welcome to Kim's Career Counseling channel. Today we will elaborate on how to use LinkedIn to build a professional network for college students. I invited Leah and Jenny to elaborate on some of the strategies. I am going to turn to Leah next.
Hi, my name is Leah. I have been doing campus recruiting for more than a decade. For college students without work experience, building a professional network on LinkedIn might seem challenging, but it's a tremendous opportunity. Even without formal work experience, trying the following strategies can help you quickly establish meaningful professional connections on LinkedIn. First strategy: connect with purpose. You can start searching and reach out to connect with your existing network, such as your college alumni, professors, and professionals in your field of interest. Start searching and reach out to connect with your existing network, such as your college alumni, professors, and professionals in your field of interest. You may think it's common sense to connect with classmates and professors. You will be surprised how many students don't recognize the value of their existing network. They are the cornerstone of your professional network and could be key to future job opportunities. Look for classmates with whom you've had good interactions in class. If you've enjoyed collaborating on projects or found resonance in academic discussions, adding them on LinkedIn is a good start. Remember, building connections on LinkedIn isn't about how many connections you have, it's about the quality of those connections. Make a list of companies where you dream of working and follow their LinkedIn pages. This way, you can be the first to know about their news updates and job vacancies. Also, research industry leaders and influencers. Identify well-known individuals in your field and follow them. For example, if you're interested in digital marketing, you could follow industry leaders like Gary Vaynerchuk. This allows you to stay informed about industry trends and engage in related discussions. LinkedIn hosts many industries, career development, and interest groups, joining which can help you meet like-minded professionals. For instance, digital marketing enthusiasts or computer science and engineering groups. These groups are filled with professionals sharing common interests and rich industry knowledge. Have you thought about your alumni groups? Many universities have their official LinkedIn alumni groups. Joining such groups can make it easier to connect with alumni who might provide job opportunities or career advice. Next, I am going to hand over to Jenny, a recent college graduate, to share her view.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I am glad to share my experience here. At first, I thought college students may seem to lack professional experience to the senior leaders. It is intimidating to talk to them. With Kim's help, I realized that a lot of industry leaders actually enjoy mentoring new graduates. After I put this strategy into action, I started to realize that they still like to promote proactive newcomers and are interested in young people's ideas. You will be surprised how much further they are willing to help you out. I have been going tea, coffee, grab lunch with many senior people with simple LinkedIn messages. So, don't be shy on LinkedIn because you lack experience. Just pure curiosity combined with your action may reward you with great returns. Remember that sincerity and professionalism when making connections are crucial. A personalized invitation message often attracts more attention and interest than a standard connection request. For students who are not confident in English, you can use the latest AI tools, such as ChatGPT, to help you write more confident, humorous, and distinctive text.
Thank you, Leah and Jenny, for sharing today. Here I want to share some statistics in terms of the important role LinkedIn has been playing in job hunting for college graduates. According to LinkedIn research, in 2020, students from four-year colleges with successful job hunts averaged 114.5 new connections during that full year-long period. That's a 17% increase from their connection rate in 2019, when pre-COVID norms applied. Practice these strategies. You can successfully build your professional network on LinkedIn. Remember, it's important to maintain a positive attitude, take initiative, and continue learning and growing. If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more useful information in the near future. See you next time.